Asus came out with the Zenfone 4 series of smartphone, pricing right from 9,999 to 24,000 rupees. I got a chance to lay my hands on the highest variant in this series of smartphone, the Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie Pro. Straight up, the highlight feature of this device is its two front camera setup. It has a 24MP duo-pixel front camera, which actually, if you notice, is a 12 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. Bundled with this is a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. You can very well switch to duo pixel setting in the camera app to blow the 12 megapixel selfie to a 24 megapixel frame. The photos that came was somewhat satisfactory to me in the original mode than in their own overlay mode. The second front camera gave a good 120-degree field of view. The 16 megapixel back camera did justice to all the photos it did take. The big feature it had was 4K support in either side of the camera for great video shoot. Asus Zenfone 4 is equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 625 SoC with a 64 gigs of storage and a 4 gigs of RAM. Also out of the box, it has an Android Nougat 7.1 with a Zen UI overlay. It has the fingerprint sensor, sadly which isn't the fastest one as compared to others. It seems like we have to wait more for Asus to join the bezel-less display community. The Zenfone 4 comes with 5.5-inch Full HD AMOLED display. The display offers great color saturation level. There's a 3.5mm jack and a Type-C charging port for fast charging. To be honest, the phone felt almost weightless in the hand, and without a proper phone casing, this would definitely feel very slippery. I tried few games on this device, and to my surprise, the gameplay looked a lot smoother and the performance was really good. Gaming on this device for extended period of time also didn't give a heating issue. The battery capacity is 3000 mAh, which would very well give you a 6 to 7 hours of phone usage time. To sum up everything, the phone feels pretty solid for its price. The camera is good when used with Asus overlay. Device feels pretty compact and at the same time gives a premium look too. If you are into smartphone vlogging, the 4K recording will be the best feature for you. So that's it from this small video, guys. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This is Abhishek and I'll catch you in my next one.